Hey, wonderful mentors, I have some great news. The assignments are finally working in WPLMS. Developers were finally able to fix the problem, and I was able to update everything yesterday. So you can start using assignments. I thought I would do this quick video to show you how to do that, how to set those up in your classroom, as well as how to grade. So you can do this from the front end, but I find that doing it from the dashboard, from the back end of WordPress, actually is so much smoother and saves me a lot of headache from checking and things not saving. So go to the dashboard, then go to LMS and click on All Assignments. Okay, and then assuming this is a new assignment, you're going to click Add New. And then remember to use kind of code so a couple of initials that will let us know that this is your class. That way it'll be really easy to find us and we won't end up with 14 assignment number 1s that we don't know when we go back to look at them what class they're for. So this is for Science Explorers 2, so that's my little code, and then second semester, so I'm going to do a point 2. And this assignment was the scientific method search. Okay. Please do the scientific method search and turn it in. And this is just a media, so I actually already uploaded this file, I think, last week. So it's right here, SE2 Science. If I hadn't already uploaded it, I would just click on Upload Files and pull it in here. It's really simple. So I want to insert that into this post. Okay, so now I have everything I need there. You can do a subtitle. So I might put week number 1 in here. Just help me keep track for next time. So assignment marks, this is how many points the assignment's worth. I'm going to leave this one at 10. You can change the maximum days. What this will do is make it so the students don't have access to it after that amount of time has passed. So the default is at 10. You can either leave it there or change it, whatever you think is best. Okay, and then if you want to include this in the course evaluation, so you probably most likely do want to do that. Now this next part is really important. You need to attach it to the course, otherwise you're not going to be able to, the course name, you're not going to be able to grade it. It won't pop up under the grading part. So it's important that you include it in the course. Okay, so for this I want them to upload a file. It's most likely going to be a picture, so JPEG is what most people will use, but I also add these others just in case because it's easier to do it now than have to add it later. Also include a PDF in case they scan it and save it as a PDF. And just in case they decide to type it and do it as a Word doc or on PowerPoint, I'm going to include that as well. And some of my students do Open Docs, so get all of those in there. And then change your attachment size to a larger size. I usually do mine at 48. Okay, then we're good to go, so we'll click Publish. Okay. So then the next step is to create the unit that this assignment is going to go in if you haven't already. So I do a unit for every week of my classes. So SC2. Now I've already included the one or created the one that assignment's going to go under, so I'm just going to do a random one for next week just to show you how. So Science Explorers 2.2, week number 3. And today we, and I would put whatever we do next week in class, I will add right there. Then I'm going to scroll down. And right here, you could put a description in there if you want to. The unit type is usually general. I haven't messed around with podcasts and videos and stuff like that. I hope that's something I can learn. And you probably want to keep that hidden because these aren't free units. And I leave this blank. And then right here, connect assignments, that's where you would pull in this assignment, the assignment you just created. Oh, I keep doing that, SC instead of SE. Okay, so it's going to search for that. So there's that scientific method search. So I just add that there. Now, this always populates with everything. This Scholar Project descriptions is the unit forum, so just exit that out. You could create a forum and add it there if you want a forum as part of that assignment or of that unit. And then you would just click Publish right here, and you'd be good to go. So then the last step after you've created the assignment, created the unit, and attached the assignment to it is to go back to your classroom, to your class page, and add the unit. So once you get here, click on Edit Course, and then click on Set Curriculum, and then click Add Unit, select Existing Unit, find that unit you just created, and I'm not going to attach it here because it's not complete yet. Okay, so you would just click on it, and once you've done that, you can click Set Unit, and then down here it will be green, and you'll click Save Curriculum. Well, I'll just do it and then I'll erase it later. Okay, so Save Curriculum, Save Course. Then I always like to go back here and check by clicking on this curriculum, because this is the curriculum that your students see. You can see it did show up there. Okay. So the final step, sorry this video is getting long, the final step is just how do you correct the assignments that they've turned in. So go to your course that you have assignments for, and I know I have some in this one. Okay, actually just kidding. Okay, to get here you have to go to My Courses and then to Instructing Courses. So you need to be on this page in order to get into where you grade assignments. And that's this box right here, Evaluate Course Submissions. Now for some reason it's not generating the numbers right here, so I'll get with the developer about that, because it should show you how many assignments there are. So you can see right here it says that there have been 9 assignment submissions. So I click on that, and then this drop down right here will show all the assignments that students have put things in. And So just choose the one that you're grading right now and then click Get. Okay, and it says no submissions found. Great. So let's go to this one. I think that was because it's my test student that did those submissions. Okay, so these were actually from last semester. So now it shows you the list of everybody that's turned it in. So you just click here to grade. So this is her submission. If there was an attachment, you could download it right there. And now you would enter her grade, the grade, and you could put any comments. Whatever you would put there. And then you could do give marks. You can also attach a file. So like if you're doing Quest and you have a rubric sort of that you're using that you want to mark, you could attach that there. You could probably also copy and paste it into your remarks. Okay, and then you would just click give marks and they would receive their grade. So I hope that this will help everybody out, both the students, parents, and us as mentors in being able to know where students are in the course a little bit better. So thanks everybody. Let me know if you have questions. You can call, text, email me anytime.